So I've installed the backboard onto the shelf, and this is what it looks like. It's not 100% done because I'm going to add some brackets right here and on the other side that are black, and I'm going to set them into the wood, and it'll provide a little bit more strength to the whole thing. But altogether it's not bad already. You know, I'm shaking it here. So what I did is I installed these little supports underneath. You can see that the shelf is actually set into the backboard and not the other way around. I figured this way the backboard would be supported by the shelf, and the shelf supported by the metal structure, so it's pretty good. So once again, I'm going to make it rise, and then I'll make it go back down. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to make it go back down. So the usefulness of the backboard, the utility of it, is to keep anything on the shelf from falling behind the desk, and also the temperature will be better. It will be more easily controlled because I mean, I'm going to be making 3D resin prints, and I'm aware that temperature matters. So between the window being behind the shelf here and the heater underneath the desk, that's going to mess things up a whole lot. So I figure having a separation, having a protection is good. Also, I want to give it a little bit more style. I'm thinking of making it more ornate with some wood sculptures that I want to glue here, and on the top part some kind of flowery thing, or maybe some other idea. I'm going to keep looking online for inspiration. But I really like the curves that I created. I just like the look of it. I think it's a little bit plain. So if I add some little wooden sculpture work that I'm going to do on here, that's going to give it a little bit more personality. And with black L-shaped brackets here, like one here, a big thick one, and the other one on the other side. With it inset, I don't think it's going to interfere with the nice curve, and I think it's going to make it a lot more solid. So we'll have like a very rigid structure. So that's where I'm at with this today. It's been very complicated. I mean, I've had to even go as far as cut off the ends of the little screws that go into the wood underneath the shelf using a Dremel-like tool. So that was not fun. It took a little while, maybe about an hour for that. I think there are 12 screws underneath. Yeah. Anyway, so that's where I'm at with the with the shelf. And you can see I'm tired, so I'm gonna go and feed myself and think about what I'm gonna do tomorrow with this whole thing. Thanks for tuning in.